Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set various background properties. So we are utilizing same HTML code which we have created in previous tutorial. So we have created one h1 tag and one p tag, and we have defined class, paragraph, and we have also used body selector. So now to set image background image property is used. It accepts image URL, and we have to load that image URL using URL, and in braces we have to pass image path. Our image is stored in same folder where our HTML document is located, so we are writing just image name and with its extension JPEG and write semicolon. We can also set whether we want to repeat our background image or not. So I want to repeat my background image, so give background repeat. I want to repeat my image horizontally, so give repeat X. If you want to repeat vertically, then you can give repeat Y, and if you don't want to repeat, then you can use repeat no. Now we can also set background color of various elements or any background body. I want to set color of paragraph class, so background color property is used. I want to set background color is equal to, here you can also supply hash code, which is code for color, and it is defined by hash and RGB values. Now let's see what is the effect of these background properties. We can see the background of body is set to image, and it is also repeated horizontally. We can see this part is repeated, and background color of paragraph is also set, which is set in class. So this is how we can use background properties. We can set background position also. If you want to set this image to particular area, if I want to set image in right corner, then I can set using the background position property. So this way we can use background property. Thank you.